Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah.
Guys, welcome back guys. Cream Bath back again with another reaction video. Alright, there's something new. Stormzy Crown official performance video. You see me get a request video. This look like it come out either today or yesterday or something like that. But it's new and somebody requested right away. So I'm gonna check it out and see what I go on feed. You see me? But like Stormzy's type of flow. He have a good type of rapping flow, you see me? So that thing I name Crown, I see what it's all about. Don't know the things it already. Just do the liking and all them things and subscribe and share, you see me? So begin now. The live performance. Some Harry Potter thing this. Yo, this looks like Hogwarts. Look like Hogwarts to blow.
Searching every corner of my mind.
Hold on, everybody I can sing? Really? Oh.
Looking for the answers I can't find.
Boy, I can sing. But think that I rap him that rap. You know them can sing.
I have my reasons and life has its lessons. I try to be grateful and count all my blessings. Heavy is the head that wears the...
It must sound that, but it must sound bad, man. Me I look for rapping, I don't know if anybody can sing, honest to God. You can't kind of chain for see me sing. Guys, listen, me never know if anybody could sing. I'm going to hear, any song I hear him upon me, I react to two songs for him, right? And I rap me that rap. So I never know if him could sing. But it doesn't sound bad.
Amen in Jesus' name, yes I declare.
See there? This me I look for, the rapping.
Any little seed I receive, I have to share it. Brothers wanna break me down, I can't bear it. But heavy is the head with the crown, I still wear it. You can't hold me down, I still hope. Rain falling down at the bricks, I'm still soaked. Try to put a hole in our ship, we'll build boats. Two birds with one stone, I kill both. Prayer never.
Yeah, I'm not telling him. Everybody are bad still, you know. You see me? Him buy sound good. I'm not telling like I want him have the singing board rapping. Man, I don't really see other UK artists do that too much. I'm not the female, I'm not the man name, the male.
Lose a prayer, I never hit the shelf. Promise if I do that, you'll be checking on my health. If it's for my people, I'll do anything to help. If I do it out of love, it's not to benefit myself. Ooh, gotta stay around and make a comeback too. I know my only mother wants a son back too. They're saying I'm the voice of the young black youth. And then I say, yeah, cool, and then I run my zoo. And now I'm
Searching every corner of my
Come by. Man, I'll have him choir in the background. Like a some church service, I think I go on and stuff.
looking for the answers I can't find. I have my reasons and life has its lessons. I try to be grateful.
Yeah, madam, like the piano sound plus the voice and the background. Everything does match together. Both in voice, the brother will play the piano and the ladies them in the background, you see me? Like the choir or the backup singers them. Everything match. I like it, you see me? It's like a nice, relaxed vibes and like a not really churchy, but have a nice one of them vibes, you see me?
Count all my blessings.
Like somebody can lift up on Sunday or Saturday and just relax.
Heavy is the head that wears the crown.
Amen in Jesus' name, oh yes I claim it. Any little
See the matter about Jesus, see there? See me just say something like about church and them shit there. Cause it sound like one of them relaxing Sunday tune there, you see me? We can relax and go drive when I go church or
I
something.
can't take it. I done a scholarship for the kids, they said it's racist. That's not anti-white, it's pro-black. Hang me out to dry, I won't crack. All these fancy ties and gold plaques. Never had no silver spoons in our mouths, we sold like. Don't comment on my coach, you ain't qualified. Stab us in the back and then apologize.
For real, you know. The man said don't comment on my culture, it didn't qualify. Be like, if I had something with our culture, other people, other races, but no, I'm not for the our culture, just stay shit out of this. It's not your thing. You see me? And they have the culture vulture, come in, thief a thing, thief our idea, and make it enough for them one, you see me? Really has to beat the fuck.
If you knew my story, you'll be horrified. The irony of trapping on a Boris bike. Gotta stay alive and say my brother as well. Look at all these legends on the cover of L. Long time coming, but we come to prevail. I guess a little bit of heaven, that's the come of the hell, you know?
Searching every corner of my mind. Searching for the answers. Looking for the answers I can't find.
Look at finding.
I have my reasons.
Oh! What are they? What's the name of Generally, them never did that long in a camera. Never seen what they was saying. Sneaky.
Try to be grateful and count all my blessings.
Heavy is the
Heavy is the
I pray that is the crown. Yo, man, I tell you that should have sound good. I sang that sound good with it. What shocked me the most? I didn't know this brother could have sing. Honest to God. The two tunes that we say, the two tunes I ever hear him pan, 2 or 3, probably 2 or 3, we ever hear him pan, he made a rap. So for hear him actually sing, it kind of very shocking, bro. Very surprising because you know, when you look on him, he don't look like somebody who sing, he looks like somebody who rap. So that's very surprising to me, you see me? And I'm actually sound good. It's like singing voice sound good. I know nothing bad for the rapping, but I thought about the singing sound good. You see me? I'm like the piano rhythm instrumental at the back. Brother, I play the piano, I'm like the rhythm. I'm like the background singers them. Everything that's working at one. It come like say, me I go church. Like the whole family in the car, I go church on Sunday or Saturday and I play that song and I relax and I pray to God or something and it does some of them tune there, you see me? Just well chill and well relax. Not even, you know, if I go church, you can't even play it when you feel like you want to relax. Because it have that smoothing effect, you see me? But as I said, the shocking thing is my boss thing, that just shocked me out of my world, bro. Honest to God. So Stormzy, multi-talented, you see me? Both a rapper and a singer. And look like him help out a lot, help out like in community and help out people, you see me? Because when I say the song, you know, it can be on say I'm a fight, say I'm a help people and them things. But I have an idea, if you don't say help people, you have to go do your thing, bro. Don't let nobody tell you nothing. Because people are going to talk, bull shit all the time, no matter what. So just do your thing, help out people, and be a good ambassador, whatever you want for your community or your place, you see me? So anyway guys, peace out. Don't know the thing set, you see me?